has been everywhere, and if you look at business or engineering, everybody today is talking about artificial intelligence. On the other hand, what you also see is students being accused of plagiarism and AI being considered as a cheating. Well, that may be the norm for many business schools, but not at Jaipuria. Here, we believe that you have to learn to work with AI. I'm happy to say that Jaipuria today is the only business school which has its own AI platform for students. Students can do their placement preparation, their CV structuring, or general queries about courses on their artificial intelligence platform. What we have also created are a series of simulations which are played by students with an AI. So this is completely next level. This is way beyond what other B schools do. Most of the business schools typically still rely on case studies, right? But today you have a living case in front of you. You can actually debate it with the CEO or be a part of that decision. How great is that, right? So I believe that those of you who join the institute would benefit a lot from these artificial intelligence initiatives. AI literacy is not just about courses or having an elective or a core course. It is way beyond that. You have to give people hands-on, and that is what we do.